4 stones in the LDs at the bottom. GA certified before I was GIA certified. Mr. M and Cash anytime you see me, you know. ONC Records, play a duck to catch a duck, you know. Tricking niggas who tricking niggas, you know. Supercar driving, gush screen flying, designer wearing, golden child, you know. Wham.
Kick, and we're underway from
hopping off a plane to a Mac.
He's got a hold the right side. TJ Davis tripped up, still on his feet. TJ Davis stumbling down inside the 5. Tyler was wrapped up, going down, but
he went south.
look at the backup quarterback jumping in the front row to make it.
Myler has an option one-on-one trick. Katron Allen. Is this caught by Davis? It looks to be, and it is a touchdown.
Myler on the 3-man rush. Myler cross middle pass, caught TJ Davis, he's got space. Davis cuts back against the green. TJ Davis brought down inside the 20.
Life of a fucking hustler, holler. She know not to test me, I'ma call her. Bro in prison, living through a pain. Feel well, I don't see a scratch. She ain't mine if she don't got me tatted. OCD me everything and tan up. Bitches tryna play me like I'm wet. Real P, I bet I go for that.
Davis has caught TJ Davis into the end zone. Myler 3-man rush. Myler end zone caught TJ Davis. Does he have the end zone?
Myler. I was having my way the whole time, fool.
Steps up in the pocket.
2 lamb coupe, 4 lamb trucks. Pulling up with the fuck. Big wrist finger slush. Order 100 G's, that's us. New rose color in that truck. Dog on the side like a bus. Shawty mad ain't going back and forth. Never heard a rich nigga fuss. Heard these niggas going outside. Robbery truck came with a bag. Only fucking overseas shit. These US bitches kinda bad. College bitch, I made her leave a frat. But my brother gave the bitch a pass. Trapping in the studio.
Myler to Davis connecting at the trash into the wall.
I go merchandise for the fleas. 4 at a time like a sheep. I been on a boat screaming skis. Saint Laurent, they bring it to the beach. She was Portuguese in Middle East. She snotted all the keys. Got her screaming.
TJ Davis into the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay. The fade route from QB.
Snap, throws over the middle, ball's caught, spinning out of a tackle is TJ Davis, heads the sideline, and down the sideline for a touchdown.
Players like Trey Harvey to move on in. Diving attempt there by Allen is just missed, and there is an edge there for Davis. A flag, however, no need.
Twice for the hoe. Backyard vibes by the ocean. Driveway look like a car show. 350 million on the go. Custom leather pushy on the dope. 50 birds a dog on my wrist. Cocaine jumping off my bitch. 32 shots with the glitch. Talking Vicks, then we talking Chris. Micro million with a bean.
So there's TJ Davis, touchdown Green Bay.
Out the millions like a bean. Push a button and make your mama greed. Eat it up, she working for a boss. Out the country living like a boss. Princess cut ain't showing not a flaw. Graduated cooking up the raw. Pushing skateboard, Tony Hawk. Cranking up the car when I talk. Alligator nerve and stuff. Drop $8 on the truck. Codeine
to take the deep shot. Well, there it is. Myler Davis once again. An unbelievable back shoulder catch. Holds on over the board.
Smell the dirty money through the vents.
The rush, quick toss, touchdown!
When? Spider. Hey, say gang.